Drupal is a powerhouse. It is the platform of choice for governments, universities, and massive enterprises because it handles complex content and long-term digital growth with ease. But there is a contradiction at the heart of the platform. While it is built for enterprise power, getting a project started involves a localized setup process that is often harder than it should be. Before writing code, a developer navigates a checklist, installing Docker, configuring PHP, Composer, and importing a database, an interdependent sequence just to start. But because operating systems differ, this process breaks. You spend hours debugging until the infamous failure, "it works on my machine." This complex setup creates massive friction at the exact moment a user's momentum should be highest, which ultimately slows down how quickly people can adopt the platform. This model turns every developer's laptop into a local island, an isolated, unmanaged silo of project configuration. Running containers, search services, and databases on these islands puts massive hardware strain on individual machines. Sharing that work is just as difficult. Providing a live preview to non-technical stakeholders is nearly impossible without setting up complex staging tunnels. When teams spend their first hours trying to match configurations across dozens of laptops, the cycle becomes slow, the work becomes opaque, and drains the project's budget. The solution is to move the entire development environment off the local laptop and directly into the browser. DrupalForge executes this shift by spinning up fully configured, ready-to-use environments in seconds. This schematic shows how it works. Professional-grade tools, including a VS Code IDE, PHP MyAdmin, Composer, and Drush, are all instantly accessible inside a browser tab. By moving resource-intensive tasks like front-end builds to remote servers, you no longer need the most powerful laptop just to work on a site. Moving to the cloud transforms a hardware-dependent chore into a lightweight, universally accessible utility. In traditional development, minor differences between local machines lead to environment drift, where code works for one developer but breaks the moment it's deployed. Cloud templates fix this. Every team member boots their environment from the exact same runtime and database foundation, ensuring total consistency. This also changes how you show progress. Instead of sending static screenshots, a developer can generate an instant live URL. Designers, project managers, and QA testers can click that link to see the real site in action, which significantly accelerates the feedback loop. A centralized cloud environment turns web development from an asynchronous individual struggle into a synchronized collaborative workflow. Drupal is changing. Features like AI tools, Drupal Canvas, and pre-built templates are designed to help teams go from an idea to a working site much faster. But the old way of building, spending hours on terminal commands, conflicts with this new focus on speed and visual building. Cloud development allows users to bypass the terminal and immediately start exploring AI modules and site templates. For agencies, this turns a discovery meeting into a live demonstration where clients can explore a clickable prototype rather than just looking at a slide deck. Software adoption is driven by this kind of immediate, hands-on experience, and the cloud is the engine that enables it. Local development still has its place, especially for specialized engineering work that needs to happen offline. But for rapid demos, team training sessions, and open source contributions, the cloud provides the most efficient and accessible path forward. By removing technical barriers, we make Drupal more accessible to students learning for the first time, and marketers evaluating the platform for their next project. To stay competitive, the future of Drupal must be instant, collaborative, and cloud-based. Launch your next Drupal environment effortlessly today at DrupalForge.org.